Is it a smartphone or a PC? No, it is the Lumia 950 XL with a Continuum on Windows 10. Now, Microsoft has taken a unified cross device approach to bring all devices under one umbrella with Windows 10. One of their awesome features is the Continuum, which allows you to carry a PC like environment on your Windows mobile devices without any extra setup. Imagine you can start something brief on your phone, but when you need a little more space, you can get it all done on a larger screen. With the Microsoft Display Dock and a Lumia 950 XL, I try to give it a spin and do a test review to check if the claim lives up to the promise. The setup is quite straightforward and easy. Just connect the smartphone to the display dock using the bundled USB 3 Type C cable. It also doubles up as a charging point for the phone. So Microsoft does get those bonus points for reducing the cable clutter. The rear part of the display docks comes with some of the standard ports you will find across laptops, desktops, or PCs, like a USB, HDMI, a display port, also accompanying the standard power outlet. You can choose to connect the PC peripherals like a keyboard or a mouse via the USB ports, or you can pair them via Bluetooth with your Lumia phone. Currently, the Continuum dock supports Lumia 950 and the 950 XL only, but we do have confirmations from Acer and HP that this device would be supported by the upcoming Windows 10 phones. Plug your Lumia 950 or 950 XL into the front of the display dock and some sort of monitor into the back. And a message pops up on your phone asking if you want to switch to continuum mode. Choose yes, and your phone's screen becomes a touchpad so that you can manipulate the operating system onto a bigger screen to display documents or play music or videos or movies, for instance. Attaching a keyboard or a mouse makes the whole device more powerful. The third USB slot can be used to plug in flash drives or hard drives, and suddenly it's Windows 10 on your screen. The output comes through up to 1920 by 1200 resolution at a 60 frame per second rate. The fonts in Windows 10 Mobile, white text on black interfaces, such as in Outlook, sometimes look a little thin, but Word and Excel or the PowerPoint are terrific. In the Continuum mode, you're restricted to the Continuum compatible applications, of course, which includes the Office suite, the built-in music app, the Groove, all the video apps, the file managers, and a few others. Just plugging in the Lumia phone into the dock and the monitor powers up with a desktop interface, with no desktop icons. It is a standard background image along with familiar taskbar with the start button. There isn't even much of a slowdown when navigation on a big screen while simultaneously using your phone. The mouse cursor easily appears and hides whenever you switch between the mobile and the desktop view. Another surprise is that you can use the USB port to connect storage devices as well. My own experience with my 1 TB USB drive or a pen drive was an easy open up once connected via File Explorer. You can open up the File Explorer and easily browse the files stored on the USB drive. You would think that having a desktop like environment in your pocket would mean one thing for sure, a near identical setup to a PC, and that's exactly where you get it right. Continuum helps you achieve that. You might expect the phone would just sit idle in that particular mode, but that's actually wrong. You can actually pick it up and use it as you would normally. If you open up an app on the phone that's currently displayed on the screen, it'll minimize on the monitor and resume on the phone. That means you can run Outlook on the phone as well as on the monitor, but not together. But it does mean that you can send some SMS while you're working on a Word or a PowerPoint presentation on the bigger screen. The best feature in the Microsoft's new Windows 10 mobile operating system is the Continuum, the ability to scale your phone up to into a full screen on desktop PC like experience. It is the latest incarnation of a dream that has been around since 2011's Motorola Atrix, the ability to carry your computing power with you and for it to adapt to the form factor you need. Continuum primarily works with Microsoft's own Windows 10 mobile apps, but you'll also be able to use the third party apps very soon. The developers just need to create Windows 10 universal apps and they'll scale up in this mode. In the end, our verdict is that the dock is a must buy for everybody who is using a 950 or a 950 XL and loves things on the go. This was our review for the Lumia 950 XL along with the Microsoft Display Dock with Continuum on Windows 10. Do like our video and don't forget to share it with your Windows fans.